look ahead from the Forewarned Storm Team. Looking out for you.
Well, if you like sunny skies and highs in the upper 80s to low 90s, then you're going to love my forecast here for the next couple of days. But all eyes are going to be off to the east here with our jet stream future track. There are two hurricanes right now developing. One is a major hurricane, Franklin. That's going to stay off the east coast. It will strike Bermuda, but all eyes are going to be on Idalia. That right now is just strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane, and it does look like it's going to strengthen to a major Category 3 as it makes landfall in Florida. Then it looks like it's going to ride the east coast, dumping a lot of rainfall with massive flooding there across the east coast. Here for Oklahoma, what I'm watching for is just upstream. The heat dome is redeveloping. It's not going to move in here until we head into the weekend, so enjoy the nice weather I'm tracking between now and about Friday afternoon. In the meantime, here for your Tuesday, I'm tracking mostly sunny skies. You will see a little bit of cloud coverage passing from time to time. This is a look from our climb-up camera looking up to the north and to the northwest at the downtown Oklahoma City skyline. Same thing, we will see a little bit of cloud coverage from time to time. You can see that little bit of shade we're getting from the sun here for this afternoon. Overall, I'm tracking beautiful weather here for today across the state of Oklahoma. Here's the latest from our storm scanner. Our visible satellite is showing nice clear skies, nothing but blue skies across far southern Oklahoma. But here for central, northern, and northwestern Oklahoma, we have a little bit of cloud coverage, even some isolated showers across both the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles. So some folks are getting some much needed rainfall here for this afternoon. But once again, all eyes are going to be on Hurricane Idalia. It's right now strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane with sustained winds over 80 miles an hour, and it is going to continue to strengthen because the Gulf waters are very warm, and those warm waters are what feed these hurricanes as they continue to intensify. So our future track radar is showing that by 8 o'clock this evening, right around sunset, it does look like it will strengthen to a Category 2 hurricane with sustained winds over 100 miles an hour. And then right before it makes landfall here for tomorrow morning, it does look like it will strengthen into a major Category 4 hurricane just as it makes landfall just to the north of Tampa there. But the good news is it's going to quickly decrease in strength. It's going to weaken as it makes its way across the east coast. It'll still maintain as a tropical storm with winds well over 50, 60, even 70 miles an hour. But the main primary threat will be for flooding rainfall here as it rides the east coast. And then the jet stream is going to catch it and it's going to push it off to the Atlantic Ocean. But overall, heavy rainfall will be expected. Here's the latest projection for the rainfall as it makes its way through Florida. Once it comes on land, we could see anywhere between 6 inches to a foot of rain here in that narrow band with the heaviest rain. But look at the rainfall totals across the east coast as it continues to work its way up that. We could see up that way. We could see anywhere between 1 to 2 feet. 2 feet of total rainfall here with some isolated areas. It just depends on where these bands of rainfall develop. It still looks like it's going to maintain as a tropical storm as it rides the east coast. But here for Oklahoma City, this is what I'm tracking here as we head into this afternoon. Lots of sunshine here for today. Highs will make it into the low 90s. It's still going to be hot, but nowhere near as hot as the record-breaking temperatures I was tracking last week. So for today, we'll see a mix of 80s and 90s. It'll be a little bit cooler here across northern and northwestern Oklahoma with that excess cloud coverage. But here for Oklahoma City, it looks like we'll get up to 91, my forecast high. So today is going to be sunny, it's going to be hot, and it will be a little bit breezy. We'll see winds today about 10, 15, gusting up to 20 miles an hour. But the best news of all I can share with you here for today, take a look at this. This time last week, this map right here was lighting up like a Christmas tree with multiple heat advisories and excessive heat warnings. For today, not one in the entire state of Oklahoma. That's the kind of weather we're going to see as we head into tonight. And for tonight, partly cloudy skies. Overnight lows will be a mix of 50s and 60s. I know that a lot of folks are looking forward to fall. It's going to feel a little fall-like here as we head into tonight, only getting down to 63 for Oklahoma City. And then as we head throughout the day tomorrow, a very similar forecast to today. I'll be tracking sunny skies, some breezy north winds about 10 to 20 miles an hour with highs a mix of 80s to low 90s here across the majority of the state. So once again, if you like this kind of weather, enjoy it for the next couple of days because it's almost going to be on repeat here as we head into the weekend for today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Sunny skies, lows in the 60s, highs in the low 90s, but that heat dome I was talking about, that looks like it's going to return to the forecast on Friday. We could even see some triple digits across the state as we head into the weekend, and it does look like we can see our next chance of rain and more triple digits as we head into next week.